Well, howdy. I'm Daniel Tripp here with Scott Markwood, and we're in the Hayflow training room. Today we're going to talk to you about the new LeMans 2 and show you how easy this thing is to install. First thing you want to do is get your instructions out. Of course, you never read these things, so just turn on over to the second page where it says, for installation using gauge, skip to page 6. Nothing better than skipping some pages. We turn over to page 6, and we are going to be using the gauge. By the gauge, this is what we're referring to. This is included in the package. First thing we need to do is set it in the cabinet. We're going to mark the position of the base plate. Once we've positioned the base plate and screwed that in place, we now stand the gauge up and use it to reference off the front edge for the side mounting. Now it's important to note here, if in some cases with a face frame application you may also need to order an extra shim or two. These do not come with the unit, but they are referenced on the catalog page, as well as how many you need based off of your dimensions. The next thing we do is we take and we're going to mark the location of our top mounting bracket here. So you set the jig over against the sidewall, and using the end of the jig you're going to draw a line to get your mark this way. We then take the jig, turn it on its end, and there's a solid opening here in the gauge. We're going to take a mark a cross mark there. These two lines where they intersect is going to be that center bottom screw for this bracket. Now we have that in place, we'll install this post. Start by sliding it up through the bracket, set it, and insert the locking clip. Install the arms to the side. Just simply snap in place, and this very simple as well. In the event that you need to restrict the opening for whatever reason, whether it's a big professional range or whatever right in the way, there are optional restrictor clips that you can mount to the unit, and those just simply snap onto the arm. And in this case we're going to install a soft close, so we'll slide that kind of up and onto the arm just like that. I'm going to line up the pins on the bottom of your shelf and drop it into place.
Too fast.
It's kind of important when you're putting these pins on with the soft close mechanism. You need it to make sure that the unit is out far enough where the pin can drop in and engage in the soft close mechanism.
Do we have one of those retainer clips for shipping?
We do have one of these retainer clips for shipping.
Are these optional?
These will soon be included in the package, and what this allows you to do is actually snap it over the shelf. So now in shipping, it stays nice and tight.
Okay. And removal?
Alright, and that's the new LeMans 2.